So, guys, hi. This is day 31 of the 100 Directions Challenge. Trademark, right? So, I'm gonna do our own little challenge. I'm gonna do a couple songs. You judge at home. This is our own little fun mini game. And you can send your judges to us. Is that okay? You can send notes and judges to us. So first I'm going to play Twinkle. Oh, guys, it's over. I forgot. So, not the entire video. I didn't mean the entire video. I'm going to play some echoes. I got that wrong. You can judge 0 for anything. Dad?
Yes, sir.
You can prove your opinion. Dad, just prove your opinion for a second.
Okay.
What's your opinion of how I did on that? Was it good?
Well, I just went outside and came back in, so I didn't hear all of it, but
So,
I was pretty impressed that you were just doing it. So, I mean, how do you think you did?
I think I did good. Fairly good.
Yeah. You
Good
wanna play
enough
it
that it would
together?
at least give me a 4.
Let's play it together, see if we can get even higher.
We're gonna play the blues scale. I said I would play a couple of songs.
Hey, okay. Next one is.
So I'm gonna play one more thing for you, 2 more things for you. James Bond, one James Bond. Wait, was that James Bond?
James Bond, you got it.
And one more thing on it, and one more of it on this. So guys, you're gonna see some really cool stuff on the next one. Now the last one is 001, 02, 04 for you. We practiced that before. In 2 different ways now. So guys, you can send your opinion by text message, right, Dad?
I guess so.
Or mail.
Okay.
Anything.
Or mail. Can they send a Pony Express? Oh yeah, that was silly. Sorry, that was dumb.
So bye guys. Make sure to leave a comment down below and share. Make sure to slap the subscribe button. I forgot to say that before I said. Make sure to leave a comment down below and share. I forgot to say that. So bye guys. Hope you have a great summer. See you tomorrow. On day 30.
Day 32 tomorrow.
So bye guys.
Oh, so now if I drive numbers.
Yeah, go for it.
What do you see? That's what, like,
Just go.
okay. What do you know? I guess. So I'm gonna do that. Part one line's already done. I'm gonna keep working. So guys, wanna play something?
Yeah, we can play some fun, but we gotta finish this. We got one more.
Got one more line.
One more section.
One more section. Only one more leaf.
So, it's telling you what string the note should be on. And so from what string the note is on, you should then know what name the note is, because we're only doing open notes. What are those notes that we've drawn so far? They're only open first 3 strings, right? Look, they're either E's, B's, or G's, right? Okay, I really want you to just pay attention to the instructions till I'm done, okay? And then tell me your idea. So look, so this one says 2, so what string is that telling us to write?
That's one string.
Oh, B, yeah, so go ahead and, well, you can go in and you can fill in what string it is, and then you come in and write in the notes.
But you know what I want?
Yes, what?
Let's do it without looking at any notes at all.
You mean without looking back at the picture?
Like without looking at any notes that's not. Except that would be filled in and not looking at any notes. Doing entirely like using memory.
Using memory, very, I like that. Go for it, come on. Let's see you do it. No, hold on. You're going a little quick. This one's not in... Okay, I think you meant G, but you accidentally wrote E. Here. Here. No, use this eraser book. It just helps not tear up the stupid paper. Here, go. Come on.
Okay, on.
Come on, bud. Just finish it, bud. We want to see how you're actually working. See that you're getting your work done.
Yeah.
That's inspiring other people who are doing their practice.
I bet you're gonna see that video.
And work hard, come on. Good job, keep going.
Remember you're gonna be doing this. So if you're, because whoever is watching out there might not be playing the ball or not, but you should. It's really fun.
Yeah, it's fun. It takes a lot of work, but it's fun for when you're done, right? Being able to do it.
So not only that way,
Keep going, please. Hank, you're slowing down, and this is not fun to watch just for your own. It's fun to watch actually get it done, but not.
and the first line.
Okay, well, go ahead and fill in the notes. Go ahead and fill in the notes for the first line, please.
There's no instructions if you're backwards. Because my back's right.
Aw, come on. Hank, go for it. Fill in the notes and then move to the second line.
That's the most important notes in the entire, writing process.
Uh-huh.
The what's the most important note in the entire guitar? I think it's E, because E is mentioned a lot in this.
Alright, come on. Start on the second line, and I'll look over that first line when we do it. Come on, good work here. You're almost done. Start hitting. Okay, stop. Stop right there for just 1 second and come back up here. So, second string is B. You're correct with that, but that's not a B. Very nice. No, look. Third string is G.
Yeah.
So is this a G?
This is not. Yeah, no.
Tell me what you did right there, though. No, don't erase it. Tell me what you did right.
I looked.
It's just 0 and F. Good. Now erase it now. Put a G. Good. That's all you gotta correct on that line. Keep going to the next line. Come on, buddy. You're almost done. Come on.
I just wrote the word to that. Everyone knows.
Come on, buddy. You're done.
I don't really know if I've been having some stuff here. Don't really. That said, don't really kind of respond when I'm saying something's right. I'm saying something's right. I'm saying something's
Just sit down and finish. This is the important part, is that you focus when you do work. You're pretty good at this. This part right here you're really good at, so it's easy for you to lose focus before you're done. Hey, I want you to really try not to look at the screen and do something in between each note. After you do one note, go straight to the next one.
I think sometimes when you're kind of nervous, your nerves get to you.
When you say you, are you talking about me or are you talking about like just people in general?
Just people in general.
Oh, that's true.
Like when you're nervous, you get tingle on the inside.
A little bit. Are you nervous now?
Nope. This sometimes happens to people when they're kind of paranoid about doing something. So guys,
Hey, you're talking to the guys that, are you done? Come on, go back and write in the notes and then you'll be done with your writing.
so guys, I wanted to say that the truth of it is when you comment down below and share. I was going to say that for Ray, but sometimes I just say something else.
Well, sometimes you need to finish. And please don't make me tell you more. Come on, finish that up and then you can say all the slap the subscribe you want after you're done.
This is on YouTube, right, Dad?
Not on YouTube right now because you're not even done. Come on. Are you done? Did you write them all in?
One. No, I got 4 down. 1, 2, 3.
You're blocking it so only people can only see the top of your head.
Oh, sorry. But I'm going to tell you what all of I did.
Please finish.
Yes, I
Please no
will.
more talking until the end.
B.
Hey,
B. G.
alright, quiet for just a second while I check, okay? And then you can wrap up. So we got, hold on, B, E, G, E, B, G. Now this second string, you're right, it's a B, but that does not look like a B. It looks like a space note. What does it look like?
It looks like a line note.
No, it looks like a space note. What note does that look like?
Right here, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like, see here. Fix it, please. Come on. You have a couple more to do, too. Boom, that one.
Right here?
Hank.
Here.
Not bad, okay. G. Does that look like a G to you? No. Good job. And then a B. That B has a tail on it. Why'd you draw a tail on that B? Alright. But Hank, are you paying attention to me? Because I'm gonna tell you something. Look down here. What is first string? Is it B?
First name.
Yeah, see, Hank, you made a lot of mistakes on this second line, and I had to keep telling you to keep working and keep going, and you made a lot of mistakes, so you're losing your focus, buddy. Can you tighten it up here for the last part of this?
Yeah.
Okay. E string. Good job. Now, you tell me, you check over the next one and see if it's right. Come on, is this right? Second string B, and that's B, right? First string is, tell me what first string is. Say what you wrote, okay? And that's an E? And is that a G? Good job. So look, we're going to move on to open strings on the bass notes next time. D, A, and E. And if you say all of these, look, all the strings are at E, A. No, we use elephants and...
Donkeys.
Come on.
Donkeys.
Elephants and donkeys.
Row, big ears. I thought you meant all the others.
I know, but I was pointing at the next one, buddy, and you weren't quite getting that until I showed it to you. Okay, hey, look at me. You're done. Good job with your writing. We're going to play a little bit more today.
Pass me a second. I need to show you something.
You want to play now?
No.
Oh, what do you want to show?
I wanted to show you what you haven't seen of us doing. All this.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
This are you writing it, buddy?
But you didn't keep part of the language. Go to me. Where was
Okay,
it?
hey, this is not planned, so it's kind of... Can you, don't be sorry, just say goodbye and let's wrap it up.
Sure, because it was fun. It was fun. Make sure you